Let's look at this question. 10 women can finish a job in 24 days. 10 women can finish the job in 24 days. If 6 children join them, they can finish it together in 20 days. Which of the following combination will finish the job in 10 days? So we have to find the combination that can finish the job in 10 days. Okay, so 10 women can finish this job in 24 days. Also, if these 10 women are joined by 6 children, then they can finish this job in 20 days. So the total job or the total work would be the product of the efficiency of these 10 women and number of days, right? So I'm assuming the efficiency of each woman per day to be W units, right? So total work in this manner becomes 10W into 24, right? And this has to be equal to the total work obtained from this relation. That is, this team is 10 women and 6 children working for 20 days. I'm getting 10W plus 6C into 20 days, right? In this manner, I will find the relative efficiencies of each women and children, right? So this become or I can cancel out this with 4, 6 times, 5 times. So this becomes 60W, and that is equal to 50W plus 30C. So 10W is coming out to be 30C, and I can say that W is equal to 3 times of C. So one woman, or the efficiency of one woman, is coming out to be equal to the efficiency of 3 children. Is that clear? Now, total work is 10 women's working for 24 days. So this total work in terms of children would be this total work in terms of children would be, I know 10 women's are equal to 30 children's, and they are working for 24 days, right? So this total work is coming out to be 720C. This total work is coming out to be 720C. Now, which of the following combination will finish it in 10 days? If this work is finished in 10 days, so the efficiency of that team, efficiency of required team would have been how much? 720 divided by 10, because this work is finished in 10 days. If we cancel it out, I'm getting efficiency of team as 72. Now I need to check the options, that for which option I'm getting the efficiency of the required team as 72C. Oh, so I forget to write this C, 72C. Okay, so let's put W is equal to 3C. For this, it becomes 54C plus 20C. It is 74C. It cannot be my answer because answer has to be 72C. 20 women is equal to 60C plus 15C. That is 75C. That is not my answer. 15 women, 45C plus 20C. That is 65C. This is also not my answer. Answer has to be option D. Let's check it. 18 women becomes 54C plus 18C. So yes, 18 plus 54 become 72C. So option D is the correct answer.